Hi students, Priya this side and I am from Delhi, and today I am going to cover the session on articles. So there are two types of articles, there are two categories of articles. One is definite articles, which means the. The another one comprises of indefinite articles, that is and an. So students have a difficulty when to use the, when to use and when to use an. Since articles form an integral part of speech, I am here to explain you when to use the. Today we are going to use the definite article the. So to be very precise, we use the when something which is very specific, with something which is very definite and well defined. You are sure about what you are talking. For example, if I say give me a pen, you can give me any random pen. But if I precisely ask you, give me the pen kept on the table, that is when I'm being specific, that is when I'm using the. So to elaborate this explanation, I'm going to show you a few examples. For that, I'm going to share my screen and you can have a look. So you can have a look on the screen and you use the with not just nouns, but also these words also. Use of the. We say the same. For example, are these two books different? No, they are the same. We use the also with the prepositions, the top, the end, the middle, the left, etc. Write your name at the top of the page. So I'm being precise where I need to write. The radio. We use I listen to the radio a lot. We do not use I listen to a radio or an radio. I hope you guys know when to use a and an. A we use with consonants and we use with vowels, and also has a special case which we'll cover up in the next session. Next, we also don't use the with. So these are the forbidden rules of the. We do not use the with television. For example, we cannot say I watch the television a lot, like we used to say in radio. This is grammatically wrong. So you have to say I watch television a lot. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You do not use the with breakfast, lunch or dinner. You say dinner is ready, not the dinner is ready. We do not use the with. Next, last, week, month, summer, Monday, etc. For example, I'm not working next week. You cannot say I'm not working the next week. However, you use the with superlatives. For example, we use all the best. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Next, we use the with sky, moon, world, sun, sea, countryside, etc. The sky is blue and the sun is shining. Next sentence, we use the with police, fire brigade, army, doctor, etc. My brother is a soldier, he is in the army. You must have heard people tend to use the another way also, which is like the army, etc. So it is also correct. In India, however, we use British English. We do not use American English. So try to get a hang of British English. Do not consider American English words, because in India we follow the British English. Next, the piano, the guitar, the trumpet, etc. So all the musical instruments, we use it with the. Paula is, I'm sorry, there's a spelling error. Paula is learning to play the piano. This is right. If you say Paula is learning to play piano, that is grammatically wrong. These are some words that you use with the, apart from nouns. For example, that I gave you in the initial class, that was give me the pen that is kept on the table. So these are normal words that you must have gone through in your grammar books, etc. But these points need to be taken care of while speaking English. Okay, so these rules are not written anywhere else. You can memorize the rules and try to practice them every day in your daily usage so that you remember it better. Thank you.